Welcome back. The countdown to Thanksgiving is on, and some of your favorite sides will be featured in the home cooked meal. Celebrity chef and our dear friend Porter Brooks recently stopped by to put a twist on some of those savory dishes. Check it out.
Today we're going to do a modern twist on a traditional side.
Yeah.
So instead of that dried oven dressing, we're doing a savory caramelized bread pudding. And it starts with just half and half and some eggs if you'd like to beat that for me.
Sure. Here we go.
So the secret about Thanksgiving is a 325 oven.
Right.
That's where your turkey should be, and you want to keep that going the entire day. You can add all your savories. That looks good. Are you ready?
Good.
Everything that's turkey is going to go in here. Did we get a shot of those?
Yes, we do.
Okay, beautiful. So we have some white pepper, some black pepper, some sage.
I love it.
And also some fresh parsley. We're going to just blend that all together.
Okay.
We're going to add some melted butter to this.
Okay.
All right. And then I'm using a Gruyere, but if you like a Swiss, you can use a Swiss. Our first cup is going to go in. Mix, mix, mix.
Terrific.
And this is so simple. We've got some caramelized onions. About 20 minutes, low and slow. We're going to add that to the mix.
All right.
All of this can be done ahead of time.
Okay, and that's what I want to make sure we all know. For all of these dishes, we can freeze them. How many days in advance?
4 days out on everything I'm showing you today. This just goes over about a pound of our day-old bread.
Are you
You
kidding?
can buy it anywhere. Just chunk it up, leave it out overnight, and then this is exactly what this bad boy looks like when it's done. I don't know if you want to taste now.
How beautiful is that? Okay, I'm going to
top it with some cheese. I think you've got it on there.
Thank you, my dear.
So 325 is the magic. You want to start with the one that's going to take the longest.
Okay.
When that turkey comes out to rest for around that 30 minutes, that's when you go up to the 450s, the 475s to brown. You can do it in one oven. You just have to plan.
Exactly.
All
Plan
right.
ahead.
Well, it wouldn't be Thanksgiving without a sweet potato, but I've done a twice bake. So here I've taken all the flesh out of my potato. What I've done is I've cooked them, and I'm just going to take about everything but a 1/4 inch. We pop it in, and we're going to mix that up until we have these beautiful skins here. To this come everything that should go in a sweet potato, but my secret ingredients is a what? A Thai chi.
Yes.
Salt, cayenne, pepper.
Thai chi,
everything
everybody.
we have. It's a Thai chi.
It's a Thai
That's
chi.
right.
No,
it's a chai tea.
It's a chai tea.
All of that is going to get mixed up.
And the commercial break, he was telling me that. I go, wow, we're going to do some Thai
with
chi
some
to
melted
relax
butter.
us. Yes.
Can you believe it? To be dyslexic and say that together.
You did great.
So you're going to mix that up. In the meantime, in the same pan where I had the butter, throw some fresh pecans, some brown sugar, and some maple syrup and some cayenne. We're going to toss them and cook them until we have these sweet and spicy pecans. That looks great. All right, let's stuff this.
Okay,
it's
you
just
got
a
your
couple
mixture.
It's just a couple of.
Again, I love that we're making these twists on these traditional meals. My mom always does, and believe me, they're delicious, Mom, if you're watching. But you know, with the marshmallows on top,
and you know, in this one, I also used apple juice as opposed to dairy. So yeah, taste. These are great. 3 always with food, and then a little bit of parsley. You can bake those again. 325 to warm them up. Now here's a great gift idea. Those spicy pecans are those killer, especially with a cocktail.
So good.
Put them in a small mason jar. Add some raffia. It's a perfect hostess gift. Bring them a set of that. All right.
Are you leaving those for me?
Yeah, you get it all.
My hostess
you get it all when we're here.
Awesome.
Okay, it wouldn't be Thanksgiving without a pumpkin pie, but we're doing a frozen pumpkin soufflé.
Wow.
It's so simple, and it's not crazy. 4 days ahead of time, it'll stay in the freezer.
You have to worry about the soufflé falling.
No, worry,
and
I'm going to show you a quick fix. Go ahead. So we're beating some eggs until they're lemony white on there, and instead of working with egg whites, we're going to work with whipped cream.
Ooh.
I've done a cup of simple syrup.
Got it.
All that is a cup of sugar, a cup of water, and you wait till it dissolves, and some vanilla.
Vanilla, can't do without.
And here is the secret ingredient. This is a pumpkin butter. You've heard of apple butter, right? Pumpkin butter. You want to taste?
That's going to give it that flavor. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells delicious.
Do I dare? Can you?
Yes.
Okay. Isn't that amazing? You can get it seasonally, you can get it online, but it's really, isn't that an incredible flavor?
Oh my God,
All right,
incredible.
And to kick it up, a little Grand Marnier.
Yes, indeed.
Okay.
Okay.
You could do an amaretto, and if you want to take a left turn, you could definitely do some bourbon. So now let's do that trick.
Take a left turn, guys. Do the bourbon.
Some bourbon.
Okay.
All right. So instead of egg whites, we're doing pre-whipped cream. That's all that's going to happen, and when it's folded in,
All right, you
which
fold.
takes a minute. Well, actually, we're not going to do it because we don't have time today. But this is what it looks like when it's all finished.
Okay.
So here's what I've done. I've taken a ramekin and I've made a wax paper collar on it with a rubber band. This way it's going to look like that it baked
Look
We're
at
going to
that.
fill it up.
How beautiful is
simple
this and
scoops.
easy?
Now you want to put these, I can do about 20 at a time on a baking sheet. You want to pop in a Belgian waffle. You can buy these frozen, sugar and cinnamon.
Of course you do, yeah.
Freeze them up, and then when they come out, you want to hit them with some powdered sugar.
How
Check
beautiful.
that out. See how it looks nice and tall, like it baked like a famous French chef?
Yes.
Do you dare?
I do dare. And as I have my bite, now let's get on to
the wines.
The wines.
All right, how do you pick a wine? Don't stress over this. I'm going to give you 3. Is that amazing? What a great flavor, and you just feel like you're having the pumpkin pie.
Yes.
4 days in advance.
4 days.
Okay.
And you're good to go.
High-end, a poulet fusé, or pussy fussy, as my mother used to say. Anywhere from probably $22 to $100 a bottle.
Right.
You want to be easy on that one. Next one is a Viognier.
Right.
And this is a blend.
Right.
Are we doing okay?
Yeah.
And Viogniers can be expensive, anywhere from $60 up, but a blend will give this to you at about $7.99 a bottle. I bought this at a local store.
Can I taste?
Well, that one's not open, but you can
yeah,
taste this great Chardonnay.
Okay.
So this is a French Chardonnay, lighter and brighter. I don't like the buttery oakies because it's a lot of food.
It
and
is.
I just want to say this. Everything was delivered through an instant shopping service to my kitchen pantry today. So this is the way to really get the shopping done.
I know. So, and you said how much is this last one? This rosé?
This is $6.99. It's a French Chardonnay, so you can pour it all night long.
Right.
Everybody can have it.
Everybody like
non-alcoholic. Do a cider, a little cinnamon in it. Anything will work.
You
with that.
covered so much. Can we get Porter a big round of applause before I cheer him?
We'll get it in.
Guys,
how much we have?
Bon appetit. Let's eat.
And happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Safe holidays to everybody.
You.
We're all so blessed.
Smooth, just
Yeah.
as you are. All right, for more information about these delicious dishes, please visit Porter on his website. It's porterbrooks.com. We appreciate you coming to spend too long, my friend.
I love ATL.
Mwah.
Thank you guys.
Thank
Thanks
you.
so much.